Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
X plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, that is equation of normal. Okay, next question number 3. Y is equal to x cube at 1 comma 1. Okay, given curve is what? Y is equal to x cube and point is 1 comma 1. Okay, now first of all differentiate with respect to x. So what we get? Dy by dx is equal to x cube derivative is 3x square. Now slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1 means in place of x if you substitute 1, so dy by dx at 1 comma 1 is 3. So slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1 is 3. So equation of tangent at 1 comma 1 whose slope is 3 is slope m is 3, point x1 y1 is 1 comma 1. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So in place of m we'll write 3, in place of x1 y1 we'll write 1 comma 1. So it is y minus 1 is equal to 3 into x minus 1, nothing but y minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 3. Okay, right, minus 1 this side plus 1, so y is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 1, nothing but y is equal to 3x minus 2, y is equal to 3x minus 2, that is equation of tangent. Okay, slope of the normal is what? Slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Slope of the normal at 1 comma 1 is equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1, nothing but minus 1 by slope of the tangent is at 1 comma 1 is 3, no? So minus 1 by 3. So equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to slope of the normal into x minus x1. So what we have, y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1. Cross multiply 3 this side. So what we have, 3y minus 3 is equal to minus x plus 1. Okay, write these two terms this side. So equation of normal v is x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, next question. Question number 4, y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. Okay, y is equal to x square at 0 comma 0. Y is equal to x square at 0 comma 0. Given curve is a upward parabola. We have to find equation of tangent and normal at 0 comma 0. Okay, now first of all dy by dx is what? X square derivative is 2x. X square derivative is 2x. Now slope of the tangent at 0 comma 0 is dy by dx is equal to 0. In place of x if you substitute 0, dy by dx is 0. Now slope of the tangent is 0, then equation of tangent is what? Equation of tangent is y is equal to y1. Okay, nothing but y is equal to 0. Anyhow we'll write like this, y minus y1 is equal to slope of the tangent into x minus x1. So y is equal to 0 is the tangent. Y equal to 0 nothing but x axis. Now this is y is equal to x square curve, rough graph, y is equal to x square graph. Okay, now x axis, y axis, now at origin at 0 0, x axis is tangent, y axis is normal. X axis is tangent and y axis is normal. Okay, next tangent completed, after that normal. Now slope of the normal is equal to what? Slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So minus 1 by slope of the tangent is 0. So minus 1 by 0 is what? Undefined quantity. Slope of the tangent is 0. So slope of the normal is minus 1 by 0, nothing but undefined quantity. Okay, so equation of normal is x is equal to x naught. X is equal to x naught. Here x naught, y naught is what? 0, 0. So x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is the normal. My x equal to 0 nothing but y axis, no? Y axis is normal. Okay. Next, question number 5. X is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t at t is equal to pi by 4. X equal to cos t and y is equal to sin t at t equal to pi by 4. Now first of all, I will find point on the curve. So point on the curve means in place of t substitute pi by 4. So x is equal to cos pi by 4, y is equal to sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So x comma y is what? 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. So point on the curve we know what it is, 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. Okay. Now here it is given in parametric form, x in terms of t, y in terms of t. Now dy by dx is dy by dt upon dx by dt, dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay. Now x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t. Differentiate with respect to t, with respect to t ma, what we get? Dx by dt equal to cos t differentiation minus sin t, dy by dt sin t differentiation cos t. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, cos t upon minus sin t, nothing but minus cot t, minus cot t. Okay, minus cot t. Now slope of the tangent at t equal to pi by 4. Slope of the tangent at t equal to pi by 4 is, in place of t if you write pi by 4, okay, dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4 is minus cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 value is minus 1, cot pi by 4 value is 1 multiplied by minus 1, minus sign, that is minus 1. Okay, slope of the tangent is minus 1. So equation of tangent at 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 with slope minus 1. So what we get? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so y minus 1 by root 2 is equal to slope of the tangent is minus 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. Multiply minus inside, so what we get? Y minus 1 by root 2 is equal to minus x plus 1 by root 2. Minus x write this side and this minus 1 by root 2 write this side. So what we get? X plus y is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Now 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is what? 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 is nothing but root 2. So equation of tangent is x plus y is equal to square root of 2. X plus y is equal to square root of 2. Okay. Next, slope of the normal is what? Minus 1 by S40 means slope of the tangent ma, minus 1 upon slope of the tangent at 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2, that is minus 1 by slope of the tangent is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 by minus 1 is what? 1. Minus 1 by minus 1 is 1. So slope of the normal is what? 1. Okay. So equation of normal at 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 having slope is equal to 1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 cancel ma, y is equal to x, nothing but y minus x is equal to 0. Okay. I will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you. The next question, question number 15. Find equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is first one parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Second one perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. Okay. The first question we will discuss. First of all, that is find equation of tangent to the line, tangent line, find equation of tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is given curve? Given curve is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Okay. Now slope of the tangent is nothing but at any point, slope of the tangent at any point x comma y on the curve is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to x square derivative 2x minus 2x derivative minus 2, 7 derivative 0. So dy by dx is equal to what? 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. Now first question is what? Find equation of tangent to this curve which is parallel to the line. Tangent is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. A required tangent is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Means tangent line and this line are parallel to each other, but two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. Two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. So slope of this line is what? 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 is y is equal to 2x plus 9. So y is equal to 2x plus 9, but this is y is equal to mx plus c form. Y is equal to mx plus c form. In place of m what we have 2. So slope of the line is what? 2. Okay. So equation of tangent parallel to this line means slope of the tangent and slope of the line are equal. Okay. If tangent is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, then slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the line. Slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the line. Okay. Now slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent to this curve is what? 2x minus 2. Okay. Slope of this line is what? 2. Okay. Slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the line. Okay. Slope of the tangent to this curve is 2x minus 2 is equal to slope of the line is 2. So write to this side 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Okay. X is equal to 2. Now by substituting x is equal to 2 in the given curve, what we get? Y is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. But this 4 minus 4 cancel. Y is equal to what? 7. Y is equal to 7. So the point on the curve is 2 comma 7. Point on the curve is 2 comma 7. So equation of tangent at 2 comma 7 and having slope 2. Equation of tangent at the point 2 comma 7 and having slope 2 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. In place of x1 y1 what we have? 2 comma 7. In place of m what we have? 2. So equation of tangent is y minus 7 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Okay. Multiply 2 inside. Y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay. Now if we write these two terms this side, so what we get? 2x minus y. Now minus 7 comes to this side, plus 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of tangent which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay. Now two parallel lines differ by constant only. Now here what is the equation of tangent? We got 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. What is the given line? 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. These two are differ by constant. Okay. Now once again I will repeat. Find equation of tangent to this curve parallel to this line. So first of all, slope of the tangent to the curve is dy by dx. Okay. Slope of the tangent to the curve is what? 2x minus 2. Okay. Now what is the line given? 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So y is equal to 2x plus 9. Slope of the line is 2. Slope of the line is 2. Okay. But tangent parallel to this line means slope of the tangent and slope of the line both are equal. Okay. Slope of the tangent to this curve is what? 2x minus 2 and slope of the line is what? 2. Equating these two, we got x is equal to 2. Now substituting x is equal to 2 in the given curve, we got y is equal to 7. So the point on the curve is 2 comma 7. So equation of the tangent at the point 2 comma 7 and having slope 2 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus x1 y1 is 2 comma 7, slope is 2. So y minus 7 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Okay. After simplification we will get equation of tangent as 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. And next question, in this one only B part, that is find equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 which is perpendicular to this line. Slope of the equation of tangent perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. So what is the given line? Given line is 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. Now minus 15x write this side. 5y is equal to 15x plus 13. Divide by 5 on both sides. So what we get? Y is equal to 15 by 5. 3x plus 13 upon 5. Okay. Now this line is now in y is equal to mx plus c form. So what is slope? Slope of the line is 3. Slope of the line is 3. Okay. What is given? Find equation of the tangent to the curve which is perpendicular to this line. Okay. Now perpendicular to this line means two lines, tangent line is perpendicular to this line, means slope of this line and slope of the tangent to the curve, these two are perpendicular to each other. Now two lines are perpendicular to each other, then product of their slopes is -1. So slope of the tangent line, okay, slope of the tangent line is -1 by slope of this line. Okay. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, m1 m2 is equal to -1, m2 is equal to -1 by m1. Okay. Using this property, so slope of the tangent is equal to -1 by slope of this line. So -1 by slope of this line is what? 3. So -1 by 3. -1 by 3. So slope of the tangent is equal to what? -1 by 3. But slope of the tangent by differentiation, we got slope of the tangent is equal to tangent to the curve is 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2. Okay. Slope of the tangent what we have? -1 by 3. So slope of the tangent is 2x minus 2, slope of the tangent is -1 by 3. By equating these two, 2x minus 2 is equal to -1 by 3. 2x minus 2 is equal to -1 by 3. So what we got? 2x is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM 3. 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. So 2x is equal to 5 by 3. X is equal to what? 5 by 6. X is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. Now by substituting x is equal to 5 by 6 in the given curve, what we have? Y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. By substituting x is equal to 5 by 6 in equation 1, what we get? Y is equal to x square. X value is 5 by 6, no, 5 by 6 whole square minus 2 into x, that is 5 by 6 minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. Okay. So what we have? 25 upon 36 minus 10 upon 6 plus 7. Take LCM. 6 and 36 LCM is 36. So 36 denominator, numerator is 25 minus 60 plus 252, nothing but 217 upon 36. So point on the curve is what? 5 by 6 comma 216 upon 217 upon 36. 5 by 6 comma 217 by 36. This is the point on the curve. So point we have, slope of the tangent is what? -1 by 3. Slope of the tangent is -1 by 3. So point we have and slope we have. So equation of the tangent at 5 by 6 comma 217 by 36, whose slope is -1 by 3, is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 217 by 36 is equal to -1 by 3 into x minus 5 by 6. Okay. Now multiply -1 by 3 here. So what we get? Y minus 217 by 36 is equal to minus x by 3. So minus half minus plus 5 by 18. Okay. Write this term. Now here I'll take LCM. So LCM is what? 36 y minus 217 by 36 is equal to, here also LCM I'll write as 36 only. So 36 into denominator 36, numerator is minus 12x plus 10. Okay, both sides 36 cancel. Okay, writing these two terms this side. So what we get? 12x plus 36 by minus 227 is equal to 0. Okay, that is the equation of normal. Okay. Next question. Question number 16. Show that the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x equal to 2 and x equal to -2 are parallel. Now what you have to show? You have to show that tangents to this curve at x is equal to 2 and x equal to -2 are parallel to each other. Okay. But tangents parallel means slope of this curve, slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2 and slope of the tangent at x is equal to -2, both are equal. That is what we have to show. Okay, now here question is, show that the tangent to this curve at the points x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. Okay, tangents parallel means slope, tangents parallel means their slopes are equal, means slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2 and slope of the tangent at x is equal to minus 2 both are equal to each other. That is what we have to show. Okay, slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2 and slope of the tangent at x is equal to minus 2, these two are equal to each other. That is what we have to show. So what is given curve? Given curve is y is equal to 7x cube plus 11. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to 7 into x cube derivative 3x square, 7 into 3 21 x square, constant derivative 0. So dy by dx is equal to 21 x square. Okay. Now slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x0 y0 is dy by dx at x0 y0. Okay. Now slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2. Slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2 is what? Slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2 is in place of x substitute 2. So what we get? Dy by dx at x is equal to 2. That is 21 into 2 square. Okay. 2 square is 4. 4 into 21 is 84. Okay. Slope of the tangent is what? 84. Slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2 is 84. Now slope of the tangent at x is equal to minus 2. Slope of the tangent at x is equal to minus 2 is in place of x if you substitute minus 2. So dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2 is what? 21 into minus 2 square. The slope of the tangent at x is equal to minus 2 is in place of x in substitute minus 2. Dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2. So dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2 is 21 into minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 21 is 84. Okay. Now what you can observe? Slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2 is 84. Also slope of the tangent at x is equal to minus 2 is also 84. Okay. Slope of the tangent is x equal to 2 and slope of the tangents at x is equal to minus 2 both are equal. So tangents are parallel to each other. That is, tangents to this curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at x is equal to 2 and at x is equal to minus 2 both are parallel to each other. Okay. Next question. Find point on the curve. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube. Y is equal to x cube at which slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate at y coordinate of the point. Now here question is, you have to find points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal to y coordinate of that point. Slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate. Slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. Okay. Now what is the given curve? Y is equal to x cube. Now slope of the tangent is dy by dx, no? So dy by dx is equal to what? X cube derivative 3x square. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Okay. So slope of the tangent at any point x comma y to the given curve is dy by dx at x comma y, that is 3x square. This is slope of the tangent. Now what is given in the question? Given that slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate. Slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate. So y coordinate is y. So y is equal to slope of the tangent is what? 3x square. So y is equal to 3x square, no? Y is equal to 3x square. But what is given? Y is equal to x cube. Given curve is y is equal to x cube. So in place of y, what we can write? X cube. So y is equal to 3x square. In place of y, if we write x cube, what we get? 3x square is equal to x cube. 3x square is equal to x cube. Okay, 3x square is equal to x cube. Now write 3x square this side. What we have? X cube minus 3x square equal to 0. From both the terms, take x square common. X square into x minus 3 equal to 0. So x square equal to 0 means x equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0 means x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 0 and x equal to 3 we got. Means when x is equal to 0, what is y? When x equal to 0, in substitute in first equation y is equal to x cube. When x is 0, y is also 0. When x is 0, y is 0. So one required point is 0 comma 0. Okay? Because slope of the tangent at 0 comma 0. Slope of the tangent at 0 comma 0 is slope of the tangent is 3x square. When x is 0, dy by dx is also 0, which is equal to y coordinate, which is equal to y coordinate in 0 comma 0, that is 0. When x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3, here options what we got, x equal to 0 or x equal to 3, no? When x equal to 0, y ordinate is 0, okay, required point is 0 comma 0, okay. When x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3, again by substituting x equal to 3 in equation 1, what we get, y is equal to 3 cube, 3 cube is 27, so one required point is what, 3 comma 27, so 3 comma 27. Now here slope of the tangent at 3 comma 27, so dy by dx is what, 3x square, in place of x if you substitute 3, so 3 into 3 square, 3 square is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, that is equal to y coordinate. So required points are what, 0 0 comma 0 0, 0 comma 0 and 3 comma 27, okay. So required points on which slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate is, to this curve y is equal to x cube, are ordered pair 0 comma 0 and ordered pair 3 comma 27, okay. Now here what is given question, find point on the curve y is equal to x cube at which slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point, okay. So what is the given curve, y is equal to x cube. Now slope of the tangent at any point x comma y is dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to what, 3x square, okay. So slope of the tangent at any point x comma y is given by dy by dx at x comma y, nothing but 3x square, okay. What is given in the question, the slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate, okay. So y is equal to 3x square, y is equal to 3x square, but y is equal to x cube, the given curve is y is equal to x cube. So in place of if you write x cube, what we get, 3x square is equal to x cube. Now write this term this side, what we have, x cube minus 3x square equal to 0, take x square common, x square into x minus 3 equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3, okay. By substituting x equal to 0 in the given curve, we get y ordinate as 0, y is equal to x cube, and when x is 0, y is 0. So one required point is what, 0 comma 0, okay. Next another point is what, 3, okay, x equal to 3. By substituting x equal to 3 in the given curve, y is equal to 3 cube, x cube is 3 cube, so y is equal to 27. So required point is what, 3 comma 27. So required points are what are the required points, 0 comma 0 and 3 comma 27, okay.